So students, our today's topic is your special products, some special identities. Okay, first topic is our meaning of an identity. Now consider the mathematical sentence x plus 3 whole square, which is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, now see here we have this is a mathematical sentence, and we can consider this one as an equation as well. Then you can see here this your x plus 3 whole square, this is called what here, this is called the left hand side, and this remaining your this whole part is called what, your right hand side. Okay, now in this whole your mathematical equation or the mathematical sentence, here the value of x is not known to us, so this x is called what, your unknown quantity. Now if I place the value of x anything here, okay, for its any number, if I place any number and if I expand this one, we can see that the left hand side or the value of the left hand side is always equal to the value of the right hand side. So in such case this whole mathematical sentence will be called what, your identity, because this whole mathematical sentence is correct for all the numbers. Okay, so that's why this is called what, your identity. Okay, now you can see a few values are given here. So first of all, if I put the value of x equal to 1, you can check here. Okay, then x, okay, if I put the value of x1 here, then it will be x plus 1, x plus 3 means that is actually 1 plus, if I place the value of x, that is your 1, then 1 plus 3 whole square, which means 1 plus 3 is your 4, 4 square means this is your 16. Okay, now check here, 1 square means that is your 1, 6 into 1, because we are putting the value of x equal to 1, then 6 into 1, that is your 6, and again x 1 square means 1 plus 7, so 9 plus 7, that is your 16. You can see here the left hand side is 16 and right hand side is also 16. Okay, so they have checked for few values like 2, 3, 4. You can check for all the values. In all the cases you will get your left hand side is always equal to the right hand side, so this is called what, your, this is called an identity. Now we'll try to understand square of a binomial. So binomial means, binomial is an algebraic expression which contains two terms only. You can see here a plus b. First of all, this is an algebraic expression and it contains two terms, that is your a and b. Okay, now when we have a two algebraic binomial expressions here, then how to multiply? Okay, or you can actually multiply means actually we need to understand how to find out the square of a binomial. Okay, now I have considered here the binomial is actually a plus b whole square. Okay, now if it is a plus b whole square, which means your a plus b into a plus b, because we know this one. Now see, square of a binomial. So we have considered the binomial as your a plus b and we have to square this one. Now how to do? So all of we know that your, if I write here 10 square, which means actually 10 into 10. Okay, now or if I write your 3 square, which means your 3 into 3, that means if I have a plus b whole square, then can I write a plus b again into a plus b? Yes, obviously I can write like this. Okay, then you can see here a plus b into a plus b, so we'll apply whatever distributive property here. So in our last class we have discussed about the distributive property. See here, a into first term into this second binomial, that is your a plus b. Then what you have here, you have plus b here, so you write here plus b into that is your a plus b. Okay, then you multiply here a into a, so we know this is your a square. Then we have a plus here, plus a into b, that is your ab. Okay, then b into a, that is your ba, or you can write whatever ab as well. Okay, then plus into plus, that is your plus b into b, that is your b square. Now see here, is there any a square term? Okay, no, so you write here as it is a square plus ab, these are the like terms, so coefficient of this ab is 1, here as well 1, so 1 plus 1 2, that is your 2 times of ab plus b square. So this is how we can your find out the square of an binomial. Okay, so next one I have considered here a minus b whole square, because a minus b is also an binomial. Then we'll repeat the same procedure here as well. So you can see here that is your a minus b into a minus b. Okay, so again you apply distributive property here, a into, that is your a minus b, again you have a minus b here. Okay, we have a minus b here, so you write here minus b. Okay, then minus b into again your a minus b, then you multiply here a into a, that is your a square, minus a into b, that is your ab. You have a minus here, b into a, that is your b, you can write ab as well, minus into minus, that is your plus, b into b, that is your b square. Okay, so you write here a square as it is, minus ab minus ab, 1 1, that means this is your minus 2 times of ab plus b square. Okay, now we'll consider this one, a plus b or a minus b whole square equal to identity. Okay, clear? So that is your, whenever you have a case that is your a minus b whole square, then whenever you have a minus b whole square, you can apply this one. This is our first identity, this is called a, this is your a plus b whole square, and this is your a minus b whole square. Okay, now see here, one thing is given to us, this is your aid to memory, that means how to remember this one. Okay, so whenever you have a given a plus b whole square, okay, then you do one thing, square the first term of the binomial, that is your a plus b whole square. Now what is the first term here? That is your a square of first term. Okay, that is your square of the first term. Then second is your double the product of two terms. So what are the two terms here? A and b are the two terms. First of all, you product a into b, that is your product, and double it, that means you just multiply it by 2. And in the third, you do square the second term of the binomial. What is the second term here? That is your b. So this is how we can remember. It's a very simple process. First of all, we have to square the first term of the binomial, and secondly, what we'll do, we'll double the product of your two terms, and then thirdly we'll square the second term of the binomial. So this is how we can find out the square of an binomial.